Hi, I'm Lauren, and as you've seen in previous videos, we have been working to completely refurbish this beautiful piece of furniture that was formerly just sitting in my garage collecting dust and grime. So we used Dixie Belle White Lightning Cleaner to completely clean this thing up. And then we painted it in Dixie Belle Vintage Duck Egg. We did 2 coats of that, and then we sealed it with a clear coat in satin. Now we're going to use Big Mama's Butta to completely restore the inside of this drawer and the outside of this drawer. So today we're working with Big Mama's Butta and my favorite scent, which is Suzanne's Garden. It smells amazing. It also comes in Orange Grove, Unscented, and Flannel. So this product is an oil-based odor neutralizer. A lot of times with these older furniture pieces, the inside of the drawer does not smell good, and that's where Big Mama's Butta comes in. So what most people don't know about this product is that you can also use it on the outside of a chalk paint finish, which we're gonna do today. But not only that, it's going to restore that luster to your wood. Big Mama's Butta is this buttery, creamy, oil-based product that we're going to use a Dixie Belle applicator pad to apply. And I love these because they leave no lines and no streaks. But you can apply this product using a paintbrush or a lint-free cloth. Look at how it just spreads over this so nicely. So if you have a finished piece that's starting to lose its luster and brightness, go over it in Big Mama's Butta. It's gonna return it to that beautiful bright shine, just like it's doing right here. So we're gonna use Big Mama's Butta and go with the wood grain, and look how it is restoring this wood to this beautiful luster and shine. And it smells amazing. It is a rich floral scent. Look at the difference in the wood already. Make sure to get in the nooks and the crannies to really neutralize any odors. This is going to enhance the shine and the durability of your wood. The final step of using this product, Big Mama's Butta, is to come back to your piece after it has dried and buff away the excess oil. Now it does cure within 7 days, and remember that this piece really enhances the luster of your wood and also can be used to brighten and shine a piece that's already painted in chalk paint.